Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see what EA account is linked to Steam. All right, so first up, I would like for you to know that Steam does not track external account links on its server, okay? Now, to see which EA account is linked to your Steam account, you'll need to check your EA account's connection settings, okay? Directly here on the EA website. Now, to go here, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be on your mobile device or computer. Or if it's available in your console, go ahead and open up a browser. Now go ahead over to myaccount.ea.com. Again, myaccount.ea.com. Hit on enter, wait for it to load. And once it loads, if it asks you to log in, just go ahead and log in. And once that's done, in the left panel, you'll have connected accounts, okay? So what you do basically is just click on connected accounts. And then after that, scroll down, you'll find Steam. So this one is my connected Steam account. All right, that's basically it. That's how simple it is to see what EA account is linked to Steam. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.